Now we are going to learn how to add and how to subtract given fractions in page number 82 from practice exercise 4.2. Already you have completed first two questions. Look at the third question now. Priya travelled 3 by 4 of kilometer by a car and 1 by 2 of a kilometer by an auto, and she walked 1 by 7th of a kilometer. How far did she go in all? Means all means we have to find out total together. Addition we have to do. So let us see how to solve this question. So here total distance covered by Priya we have to calculate. Priya travelled by car is how much part? 3 by 4th of a kilometer. So travelled by car, write it first. This is for third question. Travel by car is 3 by 4th kilometers. Three by 4 kilometers. Next, she travelled by auto is 1 by 2. So simply I am writing by auto is 1 by 2 kilometers. Next, she walked 1 by 7th of a kilometer. So, walked 1 by 7 kilometers. This is a given information, children. So, how far she go in all means you have to add these three fractions. Let us see how to add these three fractions. First one is 3 by 4 plus second one is 1 by 2 plus third one is 1 by 7. Now look at the denominators. Here the denominators are not same. Then these are called as unlike fractions. Okay. Now we have to find out for these unlike fractions LCM. So how to find out LCM? 4, 2 and 7. Find out here LCM with the 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s. 7 is not divisible by 2. Again with the 2 table, 2 1s 1 and 7 is not divisible. With the 7 table, 1 1 1. 7 1s are 7. So the LCM is now 2 into 2 into 7. How much? 2 2s are 4. 4 7s are 28. So the LCM is 28. This LCM is very important while solving this question. Now remember LCM is 28. Next we are going to convert each and every given fraction as denominator equal to 28. So first take 3 by 4. What is LCM? 28. So by how much we have to multiply the denominator to get LCM as 28. So 4 is at the denominator. 4 7s are 28. So multiply both the numerator and denominator by 7. 3 7s are 21 and 4 7s are 28. 8. Next fraction is 1 by 2. So how we will get 28 from 2? 2 14s. So 1 by 2 we are going to multiply by 14 by 14. So 1 14s are 14, 2 14s are 28. Next one is 1 by 7. So 1 by 7, 7 fours are 28. So we are going to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 4. 1 fours are 4 and 7 fours are 28. So what is the first fraction? 21 by 28. Second one is 14 by 28. And third one is 4 by 28. By adding these three fractions, we will get the total distance travelled by Priya. Now 21, 14 and 4. by 28 plus 14 by 28 plus 4 by 28. These are the like fractions because denominators are same. Now add only the numerators. 21 plus 14 plus 4 whole by 28. Now 21 plus 14 is the 35. 35 plus 4 is 39. 39 by 28. Which type of fraction is? This is improper fraction because numerator is more than the denominator. If you get improper fraction, convert it into mixed fraction. Now by doing the division, 28 ones are 28. What is the remainder? 11. 11 by 28. So the distance travelled by Priya is 111 by 28 kilometers. This is a solution for third question. Okay. See here fourth question. Mr. Lee bought 5 liters oil. In a month, 5 by 7 liter was used. How much oil was left? So total 5 liters. Out of this 5 liters, 5 by 7 liter was used. Then how much is left? You have to find out here. Subtraction. Subtract whole 5 liters minus which one used 5 by 7th. So look at this solution. So what is the total oil? 5 liters. From these 5 liters, how much was used? 5 by 7 liter used. So what is the remaining? You have to subtract here. For fourth question, 5 liters minus 5 by 7 liters were used. So here for the first number, there is no denominator. Simply you can write 1 as a denominator. 5 by 1 minus 5 by 7. Here the denominators are not same. Then you can find out LCM. Here 1 and 7. LCM is 7. Now I am going to take a first number 5 by 1. How it becomes? Numerator as 7 by multiplying numerator and denominator by 7. 5 sevens are 35 by 1 7 is 7. Next 5 by 7. Here already we have 7 in denominator. then simply you can multiply by 1. 5 ones are 5 and 7 ones are 7. Now both the denominators are same. So 35 by 7 minus 5 by 7. Now subtract the numerators directly. 35 minus 5 whole by 7 is how much? 30 by 7 liters. Otherwise simply we can convert into mixed fraction. 7 fours are 28. 30 minus 28. 2 is the remainder. Then by 7. 4 2 by 7 liters of oil is left. This is a solution for fourth question. Try to solve remaining two questions, fifth question and sixth question. Do these all questions in classwork. Read the given questions carefully. Understand what is given and what we have to find out. So try to do for fifth question. If you see how much more butter means, we have to do the subtraction process. And for the sixth question, if you see how many hours did Shreya spend watching cartoons over the weekend? So watching cartoons on Saturday and Sunday. Here you have to do the addition. Already we know how to add and how to subtract the given fractions. Already I explained third question, fourth question now. Third question is for addition, fourth question is for subtraction. The same way try to solve fifth question and sixth question. Okay.